Hey, it's me, Crystal again. And as an expert non-expert, DIY Blinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to set up your Somfy remote. Before we start, make sure you've installed your curtains correctly, and if you're using a battery motor, that it's fully charged. Okay, it's time to set up your Somfy remote. If you have multiple curtains, add one curtain at a time to your remote using the following steps. Then, once you've added every curtain to your remote, they can be grouped together. I was in a group once, the Rocket Rollers. You probably haven't heard of them. Anyway, first let's pick a channel by clicking the channel button at the bottom of your remote. The red light displays which channel you're on. By the way, if you're skating, always stop at a red light. But in this case, you're good to go. Now, allocate your curtain to your chosen channel by simultaneously pressing the up and down buttons until your curtain responds by making a short back and forth movement. This means they've been allocated to the channel. Then, set your end limits by quickly pressing the up or down button so that your curtains automatically open and close all the way. Now, check your curtains move to the left and right. Press the down button on your remote and you should see your curtains close. If the curtain moves in the wrong direction, correct the action by holding the My button down so the curtain responds. Check again by pressing the down button. Your curtains should now move in the right direction. You're getting close to finishing your setup! Grab a pin and press the program button on the back of the remote for less than a second to make your curtains respond. Use the up and down buttons to control your curtain and the My button to stop your curtain moving. At the moment, your motor is set to standard touch motion sensitivity. If you want to change this or the motor speed, refer to your printed Somfy guide. Congratulations, your Somfy remote should now be set up. This is almost as exciting as when I won the regional under 14s. If things aren't rolling along smoothly, just call us on 1300 918 390.